Hello Samsung Galaxy users, welcome back to my channel Galaxy Station. In this What is this series video, I am going to talk about digital well-being feature of Samsung. In today's fast-paced world, our smartphones have become an integral part of our lives. But have you ever stopped to think about how much time you spend on your device and its impact on your well-being? That's where Samsung's digital well-being comes into play. It's a suite of tools and features designed to help you understand and manage your smartphone usage so you can strike a healthier balance between technology and life. In this video, I will show you what Samsung Digital Wellbeing does, why it matters, and how to utilize its features. So, what exactly is digital well-being and how can you use it effectively? Let's dive in. Digital well-being provides you with insights into your smartphone usage habits. By simply tapping into the icon, you can access a dashboard that displays your screen time, the number of notifications received, and even the most frequently used apps. But it's not just about tracking. Digital well-being empowers you to take control of your usage with features like app timers, which allows you to set limits on how much time you spend on specific apps each day. By setting these limits, you can reduce distractions and be more productive throughout the day. Another useful tool is focus mode, which lets you temporarily pause certain apps to minimize distractions when you need to concentrate or unwind, like driving. Now, let's talk about the advantages of integrating digital well-being into your daily routine. Firstly, it promotes mindfulness by encouraging you to be more aware of your digital habits. This increased awareness can lead to healthier screen time habits and improved overall well-being. Secondly, digital well-being can help you reclaim your time. By setting limits and pausing certain apps, you will find yourself with more time for activities that truly matters, whether it is spending time with loved ones or pursuing your hobbies. So, how can you make the most out of Samsung's digital well-being? Number one, set realistic goals. Begin by setting achievable targets for screen time and app usage. Second, customize your preferences. Tailor digital well-being features to suit your lifestyle and priorities. Number three, practice discipline. Stick to your app timers and utilize focus mode when needed to stay focused and productive. Number four, reflect and adjust. Regularly review your usage pattern and adjust your settings accordingly to maintain a healthy balance. By incorporating these tips and features into your daily routine, you can harness the power of Samsung's digital well-being to lead a more mindful and balanced digital life. That's all, friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech videos. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay mindful and stay connected.